Good evening all. My name is Rajkumar Raghunath Bosle. Today's date is 12 August 2021. Today's video topic is inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties of the and behavior of the other of the parent object. It is the important pillar of the object-oriented programming language. The idea behind the inheritance in Java is that you can create a new class that are built upon existing the classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse the methods and fields and of the parent class. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Inheritance may can represent the is a relationship which is also known as parent child relationship. Why use inheritance in Java? For a major reason for method overloading and second for code reusability. The terms that are used in inheritance are class. In class, the class is a group of objects which will have common properties. It is a template of a blueprint from which objects are created. Next term is a subclass or child class. The subclass is the class in which inherits the other class. It is also called as the derived class, extended class, or child class. Superclass or next term is a superclass or parent class. Superclass is the class from where the subclass inherits the features. It is also called as a base class or a parent class. The term reusability, as the name specifies, the reusability is the mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the fields and methods of the existing classes. When you create a new class, you can use the same field and methods already defined in the previous classes. That's the code name. That's the term reusability. Next term. What is the syntax? Take one class and class name that with extend keywords, and then super class name, and then blocks of codes. The extend keywords indicates that you are making a new class that derives from the existing classes. The meaning of extend is the increase the functionality or class being inherited. In the terminology of Java, class which is inherited called as parent or superclass, and new class is called as a child class or subclass. Let's see. Take an example of the class employee. Then the double salary is equal to 40,000. Then the class programmer extends the class employee. Int bonus is equal to 10,000. Public static void main in class string array argument create a object. Programmer P is equal to new programmer. Then sys out the programmer salary P dot salary. Then system out of the P dot bonus. The output is the salary is 40,000 and bonus is the 10,000. We can call the salary and bonus by using the object of the subclass. Then there are, let's see, types of the inheritance in Java on the basis of class, and there can be three types of inheritance in Java: single level and multi-level and hierarchical inheritance. In Java programming, multiple and hybrid inheritance is supported through the interface only. Then let's what is mean by the single inheritance. Single inheritance means the one class is derived from the another class. And let's take an example. When a class inherits the another class is known as a single inheritance. In the example, take a dog class inherits the animal class, so there is a single inheritance. Create a class animal, then create a method where it system dot out sop system dot out eating. Then create another class dog that extends the animal, and create a method where bark sop barking. Then create a class test inheritance public where main string argument dog D is equal to new dog. D dog D we can call the with the object of D dot bark and D dot eat. Output is barking and eating. Let's see what is mean by multi-level inheritance. When there is no chain, there is a chain of inheritance is known as multi-level inheritance. As you can see the example of baby dog is a class inherits the dog class, which again inherits the animal class. So there is a multi-level inheritance. Create a class animal while eat method while it system not out eating. Then create a class dog extends the animal class while bark SOP barking. Then create another class baby dog extend the dog. Create the method while whip SOP whipping. Then the create a class testing my class with the public static void main string argument. Create a object of baby dog D is equal to new baby dog. We can call with object of D baby dog with D dog whip, D dog bark, D dot eat. The output is whipping, darking, and eating. Then let's see what is mean by hierarchical inheritance. When two or more classes inherit the single class, it known as hierarchical inheritance. Let's see example. Dog and cat classes inherit the animal class, so there is a hierarchical inheritance. Let's create an class animal while eat method which in which eating system dot eating, and next create a dog class extend the animal class while bark system dot out baking, and then create a class cat extend the animal class while meow is create a method where meow is system dot out of meowing. Then in my class create a main method publish static where main string argument. We can create a object cat C is equal to new cat with C dot is equal to meow. We can call the methods C dot meow, C dot cat, C dot eat, sorry, and the output is meowing and eating. And then why we multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. To reduce the complexity and the simplify the language and avoid the ambiguity to compiler, multiple inheritance is in Java is not supported in Java. Consider a scenario where a class A three classes A, B, C. The class inherits the A class and B classes. If A and B classes have the same method and you want to call it from a child class object, there will be the ambiguity to call the method A or B class. Since the compiler errors are better than the runtime errors, Java renders compiler time error if you inherit two classes, whether use same method or different method. There will be the compile time error. To avoid to overcome this ambiguity, we can use multiple inheritance by using interface. We can achieve the multiple inheritance by multiple inheritance by interface. Thank you. Let's see some important facts about inheritance in Java. Default superclass, except the object class, which has no superclass. Every class has only one direct superclass. In the absence of any split superclass, every class is implicitly a subclass or of the object class. Then superclass can only be one. A superclass can have any number, but number of the superclasses, but superclass can have only one superclass. This is because the Java does not support the multiple inheritance. With the although the with interface, multiple inheritance are supported by the Java. And then inheriting constructors. Subclass inherit all the members, methods, and nested class from the superclass. Constructors are not the members, so they are not inherited by the subclasses. But constructor of the superclasses can be invoked from the subclass. And then last is the private member inheritance. A subclass does not inherit the private members of the parent class. However, if the superclass has the public or protected methods like getters and setters for accessing its private fields, this can also be used by the subclass. Then Java is a type relationship, is a way of saying that the object is a type of that object. Thank you.